Hello everyone, welcome to ISI Mark certification tutorial. What is ISI Mark? ISI Mark is a certification mark for domestic and industrial products in India. The mark imposed on any product means that a product conforms to the Indian standard. It is basically developed by Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS), the national standards body of India, and known as one of the most trusted and recognized marks in the country. What are the basic details regarding this scheme? Responsible organization, Bureau of Indian Standard, products category, all domestic and industrial used products, total standards 25,000 plus Indian standards, in-country testing required, on-site audit required, effective region India. Who can apply under ISI certification scheme? All the domestic as well as foreign manufacturers are eligible to apply. Broadly, products are categorized into two lists, that is, mandatory list and voluntary list. Products which are listed under mandatory list have to be compulsory to apply for ISI mark license in order to sell their products in Indian market. What are basic requirements to obtain the ISI mark? Filled forms and templates as prescribed by BIS. Factory details, in-house testing and machinery details, test report of the product, brand, trademark, registration details, payment of required fee. In case of foreign factory applicant who are located outside India, applicant have to appoint a local representative AIR who will communicate with BIS on behalf of the applicant. What is the timeline to get the ISI mark license? In general, timeline varies between 2 to 6 months. For domestic factory, license can be obtained within 2 to 3 months, while it will take 5 to 6 months in case of foreign factory. How manufacturer can apply for ISI certification mark? You can reach out to Vincular at fmcs-isi@vincular.in to know about complete certification process. How Vincular can help in getting the ISI mark license? We at Vincular have dedicated and efficient team who will help you in complete certification process, including documents preparation, application submission, and liaising with government officials till getting the license. In case of requirement, we can support in local representation AIR activity as well. Thanks for watching.